So let's continue. Again, to get the sum of the numbers, cell A3 to E10, type sum, and then A3 colon E10, then enter. Get the smallest number. I will get the sum first. Okay, let me quick. You can use the function mean to get the smallest number. So you type equal sign mean and then highlight all, close, and then enter. So example, if I change number 3, example 10, okay, this is the smallest number, okay, of the entry, 3. So example, when I type 10, automatic siya mag-change dito. When I type 20, automatic din siya mag-change dito. So kung ano yung changes, automatic siya mag-appear dito. Now, let's proceed. To get the highest number, you can use max. Max for maximum, highlight all, and then enter. Okay? So, whatever changes, automatic mag-change din ang result. How about the total number of entries? Example, di ba, these are the entries from cell A3 to cell D9. Okay, these are the entries. I want these numbers to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, to get the total number of entries, you can use count. Okay, this one, count. Count, you can use count if entries are numbers. Highlight all and then enter. Now, what's the difference between count and counter? Count A, sorry. Count and count A. If entries are letters or combination of letters and numbers, you can use count A. Example, I have here entry with letters and numbers. Okay, automatic yung answer is 27. Bakit? It's because you use count. Kasi hindi siya number. Hindi siya number lang. Meron siyang text. Now, how to display the perfect answer? Instead of using count, you can use count A. Okay. Count A, it can be used to count the entries even numbers with letters. Okay, combination of numbers and letters. So perfect yung answer if you use count A. Again, count can be used if the entries are only numbers. Pero kung may text, may numbers, you can use count. Okay, para perfect ang result. So, balik ko siya sa original. Count A. Still, the result is 28. Next, average. Get the average of A3 to A9. So, from here to here. You can use function average, open parenthesis, highlight all, and then enter. Okay, so that's your average. Example, I will use manual. I will get the sum first. Okay. Manual pero may sum. Okay. Para hindi na siya masyadong mataas. Sum, get the sum first, and then divide how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divided by 7. Let's see if they have the same result. Okay? Same result siya. So that's another way of getting an average. The difference of E10, okay, cell E10 to E3, and E3. So E3. To get the difference, you can use equal sign and then locate the number minus and then enter. Okay, so is there a function difference? Okay, let's see if there is a function difference. No, there is no function difference. So you cannot use equal sign difference. How about quotient? Is there a function quotient? Okay, let's see and type quotient. Oh, there is a function quotient. You can use that one. And then first number is the numerator. So C13. So locate the C13, comma, C12. So click C12 and then close, enter. How about product? Is there a function product? Yes, there is a function product. Product, the first number, C15. So, click mo ang C15, comma, and then C16, then close. Okay, that's how to get. Or, you can use asterisk for multiplication. So, let's see, C15, you can type C15 times or asterisk C16. Okay? So, same answer. I-ano mo lang siya, i-drag para perfect yung answer. So, ito, meaning nito is, kailangan i-ano mo siya, i-resize yung cell. Okay? Medyo maliit daw, kaya kailangan mo siyang i-resize. Okay? So that's functions. So these are the common functions or the basic functions only. Marami pang mga functions dito sa mga statistics or statistical functions. Nandito siya lahat. But most recently used are sum, average. Okay, so marami pang mga functions dito sa Excel. Now, let's proceed to, how about if I want to create a graph based on this data. How to create a graph. Sorry. You can include the title or you can exclude the title. It's up to you. So what if you want to include this one and then highlight all? You go to insert and then choose any type of graph. It's up to you kung ano yung gusto mo, column, line, pie, bar, area, or scatter. So, depende sa inyo. Yan. So to interpret this one, example, sa January, ang color daw niya is blue. January, color niya is blue. February is pink. Tapos, ang March kay green. Yan. So, hanapin mo siya dito sa taas. Tapos, meron siyang nakalagay 200,000. So, estimate niya depende kung ano yung nasa entry dito. So, for January, 6,000. And then the color is blue. Yan. Okay. Let's change this one para medyo complicated siya. Para mas maano siya. Okay. Mas clear. Okay. Let's apply this one. So this one is parang mas clear siya. Okay. So January, January is blue. Okay. This one. Tapos, sa February daw, pink. Then, sa March, green. Yan. So, tingnan natin sa entry number 1, color green, tapos March. So, ano yung nakalagay? 78,000. So, nandito ang 78 kasi ito is 100,000 na siya. So, ito yung estimate niya. Nandito yung 78,000. Okay, so tingnan nyo lang ang legend dito sa gilid. So, that's how to create a graph. So, what's the use of this? Example, negosyante ka, tapos you want to project if this is your capital, how much is your profit after 4 months? Ganyan. So, pwede mo siya ma-project. So, that's the use of graph. Okay? So, is it increasing or decreasing? Now, let's proceed to a function if. Okay, so what's the use of function if? If can be used to analyze, example, if you are a teacher and then you want to know how many students are passed, how many students are failed, ganyan. So you can use if function. Okay. Let's delete first this one. Then the data filter. We'll type the problem here is if grade is less than 75, then failed. Otherwise passed, meaning to say from 75 up, automatic siya passed. So let's type if, and then let's follow this one. And also it depends upon the version of your Microsoft Office or Microsoft Excel. If you can see comma, then you have to follow comma. But if you can see semicolon, then you can follow semicolon. Do not type comma. If the grade, so the problem is if the grade, so let's click on the first grade. If the grade is less than 75, so you have to type less than and then type 75. Okay, so that's the logical test. And then after that, you put a comma since comma man nandito. So, you put a comma. What if it's less than 75? What's the value? And the value is failed. And then you have to follow the format, comma. If it's not less than 75, then it's passed. Then close. Then that's it. Why we need to put a quotation? It's because this one is a text. Okay? Text siya. Kung sa programming pa, this one is, I forgot the term. Integer, no, it's not an integer. It's not, okay, so sino ba nandito? Sino ba may experience sa programming? What's that, sir? It's not integer, but it's
string.
Okay, it's string. Okay. If it's string, I forgot. If it's string, then you have to put a quotation. Okay? Pero kung integer siya, kung number siya, and then you don't need to put a quotation. And then you have to type, you have to press enter. Okay? So automatic siya may pass. Now, what if I will change this one? Automatic ba siya? May failed? Type ako ha. 65. Enter. So the answer is failed. So automatic ang Excel mag-answer. Now, when I copy this one, I apply ko yung autofill. Drag and then drop. So automatic siya may passed and failed. So when I change this one, 50, automatic may failed. Go back to 100, automatic siya mag-pass. So what's this? Color, blue and red. This one is conditional formatting. How to apply conditional formatting? Highlight all first. Yeah. And then go to home. And then look for conditional formatting. Click. And then highlight cells. Highlight cells rules. Text that contains. Text that contains failed. Okay. What if it's failed? What is the color? Click mo lang ang drop down and then custom format. Then, okay. Kinaghang pa siya. Then go to fill to include the background. And then, lagyan mo ng red. And then go back to font. Lagyan mo ng color. Color white. Then, okay. Yan. Okay. Then go back again. Since you have two, passed and failed, conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, text that contains, and then you have to type passed. Arrow down, custom format, and then fill, blue, font, white, then okay. Okay. So that's how to apply conditional formatting. How about if you want to sort or if you want to arrange data from A to Z? Okay, highlight mo lang, including the status, and then go to data. Data, and then click this one, sort. Click, then sort by name. So if it's by name, you sort by column B kasi ang name nasa column B. And then order from A to Z. Then, okay. So automatic mag-sort siya from A to S. A to Z. Next, filter. What is the use of filter? If example, you want to view students living in Digos City only. Okay, that's filter. So, i-click mo siya dito sa field names, kahit saan. Click, and then go to data, click filter. Then, click this one, uncheck mo yung iba, select only, Digos, then okay. So, Digos lang ang ma-display. So, what if I want to view Davao and Digos? So, i-check mong dalawa and then okay. Select all to view all. Then, okay. Okay na. So, that's the basic of Microsoft Excel. Marami pang mga topics sa Microsoft Excel, pero since our work is only this one, parang i-format mo lang ang cells. Yan. Kasi may mga advanced pa na topics sa Excel. Like this one, data validation, what if analysis, at marami pang iba. Okay, so do you have any question?